Say goodbye to misaligned hinges. The Milescraft 1226 hinge jig simplifies door hinge installations with its built-in measuring scales and adjustable guide bushings. Whether you're a pro or a beginner, this jig ensures accurate flush hinges every time. It's compatible with most routers, making it a versatile addition to your toolkit. No more tedious measuring or guesswork, just quick, precise results. With a sturdy build and easy setup, you'll wonder how you ever installed hinges without it. Take the frustration out of your projects and get perfect results in minutes. A must-have for anyone serious about woodworking. Struggling with cabinet assembly? The Kreg Cabinet Face Frame Clamp keeps your workpieces perfectly aligned while you secure them. Its auto-adjusting feature works with different thicknesses, saving time and effort. The soft grip handle ensures comfort, making long projects easier on your hands. Say goodbye to shifting panels and uneven frames. This tool guarantees a seamless finish. Ideal for kitchen cabinets, bookshelves, and more. It delivers professional-grade precision. Whether you're a hobbyist or a pro, this clamp simplifies your workflow. Strong, durable, and easy to use. Get your frames perfectly aligned every time. Small, powerful, and incredibly versatile. The Trend T1 ETS trim router is designed for precision edge trimming, hinge mortising, and decorative detailing. Its soft start motor and variable speed control provide smooth, controlled cuts every time. The lightweight design allows for comfortable handling, reducing fatigue on long projects. Whether you're rounding edges or carving grooves, this router delivers professional results. The durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. Perfect for furniture makers, carpenters, and DIYers looking for precision and efficiency. Take your craftsmanship up a notch with this game-changing tool. Move your heavy tools effortlessly. The Milescraft 6202 Omnibase turns your stationary power tools into mobile workstations. The adjustable frame fits various tools like table saws, planers, and jointers. Heavy-duty wheels ensure smooth movement, and the secure locking system keeps your equipment steady when in use. No more struggling to rearrange your workshop. Just roll, lock, and get to work. It's built to handle heavy loads, making it ideal for busy workshops. Save space, improve efficiency, and work smarter with this must-have base. A simple solution for maximizing your workspace. Building a deck? Achieve a flawless finish with the Trend Concealed Screw Decking Jig. This smart jig allows for hidden fasteners, giving your deck a clean, seamless look. Precision drilling guides ensure perfectly aligned screw holes without splintering or weak joints. Whether working with hardwood or composite boards, this tool provides a secure fit for long-lasting durability. Easy to use and built for professionals and DIYers alike, it takes the hassle out of deck building. Say goodbye to visible screws and hello to a sleek modern deck. Get professional results with minimal effort. Keep your shop dust-free. The Kreg Dust Separator captures up to 99% of sawdust before it reaches your vacuum, preventing clogs and maintaining suction power. Whether you're cutting, sanding, or routing, this tool ensures better air quality and cleaner workspaces. It's compatible with most shop vacs, making it easy to integrate into your setup. No more constantly cleaning filters or losing suction. Protect your tools, your lungs, and your workspace from excess dust. A must-have for any serious woodworker or craftsman. Stay clean and efficient with this dust separator. Precision is key, and the Big Cal woodworking calipers deliver accurate measurements every time. Ideal for marking, measuring, and layout work, these calipers ensure consistency in every project. Whether you're checking board thickness or setting router bit heights, this tool provides spot-on accuracy. The smooth sliding mechanism allows for easy adjustments, making it a pleasure to use. Built from high-quality materials, it's designed for long-term durability. Say goodbye to errors and miscalculations. Get precise dimensions effortlessly, a must-have for fine woodworking and professional craftsmanship. Elevate your precision game today. Make firewood handling easier than ever. The Log Ox 3-in-1 multi-tool combines a timberjack, cant hook, and log lifter in one versatile tool. Lift, roll, and carry logs effortlessly while reducing back strain. Perfect for forestry work, homesteaders, and firewood enthusiasts, it minimizes fatigue and maximizes efficiency. The rugged build ensures durability for heavy-duty tasks. Whether you're processing logs or stacking firewood, this tool saves time and energy. Work smarter, not harder, and get more done with less effort. A true game changer for anyone dealing with timber. Compact but powerful. The Sacher Mini multifunctional table saw is perfect for precision cutting in small spaces. Whether you're working on wood, plastic, or metal, this saw delivers smooth, accurate cuts with ease. Its adjustable cutting depth and angle settings make it versatile for various projects. The stable base ensures safety and accuracy, reducing the risk of errors. Lightweight and portable, it's great for hobbyists and professionals alike. No more bulky saws taking up space. Get all the cutting power you need in a compact design. A must-have for detailed, high-precision work. Tired of messy foam applications? The Wolfcraft foam applicator gun ensures smooth, controlled dispensing for insulation, sealing, and bonding tasks. Its precision nozzle allows for even distribution, reducing waste and cleanup time. The ergonomic handle provides comfort, making extended use easy on your hands. Compatible with most foam sealants, it's a reliable tool for professionals and DIYers alike. The adjustable flow control lets you customize the output to suit your project. Whether sealing gaps or insulating windows, this gun makes the job effortless. Get perfect mess-free foam application every time. Cutting perfect angles just got effortless with the Lexavon aluminum miter saw protractor. Crafted from solid aluminum, this protractor ensures precise bevel and miter cuts with smooth, laser-etched markings that never fade. Forget the guesswork. Just set your saw and cut with confidence. Whether you're installing crown molding, baseboards, or framing, this tool guarantees a flawless fit. Its lightweight, durable design makes it easy to carry and use on-site. With a rust-resistant finish, it stays in top condition for years. Say goodbye to misaligned cuts and hello to precision engineering. Your projects just got a whole lot sharper. If you love making clean professional dovetails, the Veritas Dovetail Guide and Saw Set is a must-have. This tool takes the struggle out of hand-cut dovetails by guiding your saw at the perfect angle every time. Featuring powerful magnets and a non-slip grip, it holds your saw steady for ultra-precise cuts. Whether you're crafting furniture or fine joinery, it helps you achieve tight, consistent joints effortlessly. The high-quality Japanese saw included ensures smooth, razor-sharp results with minimal effort. No more wobbly cuts, just clean, accurate dovetails every time. Step up your woodworking game with this precision guide. Perfect results are now within reach. Sanding tricky shapes and contours has never been easier than with the Octopus FlexiShape manual sander. Its flexible, bendable design molds to any surface, letting you tackle curves, edges, and corners effortlessly. Whether you're refinishing furniture or smoothing out intricate carvings, this sander adapts to every detail. The ergonomic grip ensures comfort while reducing hand fatigue during long sanding sessions. It works with standard sandpaper, making it a versatile addition to your toolkit. Say goodbye to uneven sanding and missed spots. This tool guarantees a flawless finish. Get ready to master even the toughest sanding jobs with ease. Smooth surfaces are just a few strokes away. Measuring, marking, and drilling accurately just got faster with the Saker 4-in-1 drilling positioning ruler. This multifunctional tool lets you align holes with pinpoint precision, saving time and effort on any project. Whether you're installing handles, hinges, or shelves, its adjustable sliders ensure exact hole placement every time. The built-in ruler and angle guide make measuring a breeze, while the durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. No more crooked or misaligned holes, just perfect, consistent results. Compact and easy to use, it's a must-have for professionals and DIYers alike. Get your drilling game on point with this precision ruler. Achieve perfectly aligned dowel joints with the Eleon self-centering dowel jig. This precision tool automatically centers itself on your workpiece, eliminating guesswork and ensuring accurate hole placement. Whether you're assembling cabinets, furniture, or frames, it guarantees tight and sturdy joints every time. The adjustable guide fits various wood thicknesses, making it incredibly versatile. With hardened steel bushings, it delivers clean, consistent drilling without slipping. Say goodbye to misaligned dowels and wobbly connections. This jig makes joint assembly fast and frustration-free. If you want professional-grade results with minimal effort, this tool is a game changer. Stronger, cleaner joints are now easier than ever. Measuring stair treads and shelves precisely just got a whole lot simpler with the Rockler Perfect Fit Stair Tread and Shelf Gauge. This adjustable tool captures exact angles and dimensions, ensuring a snug, professional fit every time. Whether you're cutting custom shelves or stair treads, it eliminates trial and error for perfect alignment. The sliding arms extend and lock securely, allowing you to transfer measurements directly to your material. Built for accuracy and ease, it saves time while delivering flawless results. No more wasted wood or recutting. Just measure, mark, and cut with total confidence. Elevate your woodworking with this ultimate measuring tool. Thank you for watching this video on the top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.